Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to export products from links in a CSV file from WordPress. So, let's dive into it. On WordPress dashboard, go to the Products section in the left side navigation bar and click on it. In the Products section, tap on All Products option. On the Products page, find and click on the Export button located in the top bar. On the Export Products page, choose which columns should be exported, which product type should be exported, and which product category should be exported. And choose whether you want to export custom meta or not. At last, click on the Generate CSV button. The file will start downloading. There you have it. This is how you can download the products in the CSV file in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.